Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add recipient on Remitly's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To add recipient on Remitly's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Remitly application. The home page of Remitly application will appear on the screen. From the home page, tap on recipient option at the bottom of the page. On the next page, tap on Add option. Now enter your recipient contact information including their first and last name and their phone number. Tick mark on the box to get the SMS update about transfer to recipients. Enter your recipient email address, street address, city or country if you want to, or else skip the information and tap on Save. This is how you can add recipient on Remitly's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.